You know, so many times people think that eating healthy means your food is going to taste like cardboard. And that is so far from the truth. We're here to dispel that myth, especially for Valentine's Day. So many times people tell me, oh, I will only eat a little bit of chocolate. Or, oh, I didn't have any chocolate today. Well, you know what? God made food good. If he hadn't, Eve wouldn't have gotten in trouble with the apple, right? It looks good. It tastes good. Food by God, for the body by God. What we need to do is get rid of all the awful things that man does to it. So this is the first thing I'm going to share with you. I'm going to do a series of videos. I'm going to show you all the chocolate that I have here and here and here and in there and in the Valentine's gifts. I hope my family's not listening because this one is a surprise for them. I have ordered, I hope that you can see this. Let me see if I turn around. Yes, there. You can see the, so that you can order it yourself. We hope you enjoy your little bites of organic, vegan, handmade chocolate. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. So what you want to look for in your ingredients are real words, words that you can pronounce, things that you understand. Chocolate. I mean, we know what chocolate is, right? And in one of our other videos, I'll tell you the difference between cacao and cocoa. We've got coconut oil, hazelnuts, cane sugar. You always want sugar to be cane sugar. You want it to be organic. What you want to avoid is something that just says sugar. Because if it just says sugar, it is most likely genetically modified beet sugar. That is not food by God. God made sugarcane. And organic sugarcane can be part of a very healthy diet. The trick is not to eat it every day and not to eat too much of it. We have cocoa and cocoa butter and vanilla and oh, this is nice. I don't know how to say this word. Alai. It's a kind of Hawaiian sea salt. Again, food by God. So we've got some minerals in here. And then almonds and some powdered sugar, which again is organic. So this is something that I ordered online because it's kind of hard to find treats like this that are truly healthy. And this, I have had these before. They taste so good. So I got an assortment. I have milk chocolate and nut butter. I almost never eat milk chocolate. I usually eat dark, and I'll tell you about that in another video. Then I have mint. That one's going to be mine. That's my favorite. And then dark. So there we go. That's my Valentine's shopping. Stay tuned for our next video in another day or so. I'll tell you about another ingredient in chocolate that is very healthy. So we're here to dispel all of the myths so that you can enjoy real chocolate just in time for Valentine's Day.